In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your finances using a smart financial tool. This journey will help you gain control over your money, ensuring you have a clear understanding of your financial health. Let's dive right in with the first step, linking your bank accounts and financial assets. Now, this may seem daunting at first, but rest assured, it's actually a straightforward process that will lay the foundation for everything else. Start by securely connecting your various bank accounts and any financial assets you might have to the platform. This is a crucial step because it allows the system to pull in all your financial data, providing a comprehensive view of your financial situation. With everything linked, the tool can begin its magic, which brings us to the next step. Once your accounts are successfully connected, the platform will automatically sync your transactions. What this means is, it pulls in every transaction from your bank and credit card statements, categorizing them appropriately. This automation is an incredibly useful feature as it saves you the time and effort of manually entering each transaction. Additionally, the tool's ability to categorize transactions can offer valuable insights into where your money is going, making it much easier to identify spending patterns and potential areas where you might cut back. With data in hand, it's time to set up budgets, define your financial goals, and track any bills you have. This part is all about personalization and tailoring the tool to suit your specific financial needs. Start by setting realistic budgets for different spending categories. This is your chance to decide how much you want to allocate to things like groceries, dining out, or entertainment each month. Next, think about your financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a new car, or perhaps an emergency fund, make sure to set clear objectives. Tracking bills is equally important. Ensure that your recurring payments are entered in the system so you can avoid any late fees. At this stage, you can now view your net worth, spending reports, and visually appealing charts. This feature offers a high-level overview of your financial standing, allowing you to see how your assets balance against your liabilities. Explore the spending reports to gain a deeper understanding of your financial habits, and utilize the charts for a visual representation of your spending trends over time. This visual information can be a powerful motivator for making informed financial decisions. Finally, it's time to make adjustments and stay on top of your money, and you're done. Regularly reviewing your budgets and goals is crucial to staying on track. Don't be afraid to make changes if certain aspects of your budgeting aren't working as planned. Remember, flexibility is key in financial management. This tool is designed to evolve with you and adapt to any changes in your financial situation.